Move the cursor until it is positioned by the word roll, then press the green OK button to activate that function. The roller will start rolling and you will notice the fat, oil and grease, or fog, is picked up and passes over the roller until it hits the white wiper blade. The wiper blade is resting flat on the roller and the fog moves across it to the chute. The fog and some water flow down the chute and out into the external collection container. Press the OK button to deactivate the heat function. Occasionally, lumpy fat or food particles can pass over the roller and may cause an obstruction in this area, and even prevent the fog from flowing out to the external collection container. Once a week, use a paper towel to clean the wiper blade and chute. Please add this to your tasks in the food safety plan so it is not forgotten. Check the spout is free from obstructions. The wiper blade should rest snugly on the roller. If it is wobbly in appearance, it will be ineffective at removing the fog. Please review the chapter titled How to Change the Wiper Blade.